So self regulation क्या है? It is the ability to organize and monitor our own behavior. ठीक है? So what is the definition? So regulate का मतलब क्या होता है? Regulate means you control things, isn't it? Right? Regulation means the ability to control. So this is what self-regulation is. The ability to organize, fine, and monitor your own behavior. Okay? What is this? This is the ability to organize and monitor our own behavior. Okay? So regulation means what? That you should be able to control yourself, right? So regulation is the ability to monitor and organize our behavior. Okay? See guys, there are situations in which, we can't behave the way we want, isn't it? Like when you are talking to, I'll give you an example of this. So, I was in class 5th, right? And we were in convent school, so we had like a different level of rules and regulations. I don't know for what, but anyway, I'll tell you what the situation was. So I was in class 5th. We were having our exams. Okay, so I was given the answer sheet, and obviously the teachers will sign on the answer sheets, isn't it? So my teacher did not sign on the answer sheet. Okay, so I just went to her and told her that, ma'am, you have not signed on my answer sheet. Okay? She got so angry that she slapped me. She slapped me, and I did not realize that what mistake have I done. And I was just very, bewildered that why have I been slapped for asking such a small thing. So she said that you should not say that, ma'am, you have not signed it. You have to say, ma'am, may you please sign it? Or could you please sign it? Right? And I can tell you guys, I was angry. I was angry like anything. I felt like, matlab main is teacher ko peet do. So that's what I felt, because she could have just, told me that, this is not the way you say things. Like slapping was a little too much, I feel. And I was not a small child. I was in class 5th. Anyway. So, yes, I'm going to say this out loud. I really wanted to kill her that day. I just wanted to, just give back something, say something like that. But anyway, I did not. Why? Because I was in a school setting. I knew that she's my teacher. And I knew if I say something, I'm going to get more slaps. So I did not want to get slapped even more, isn't it? So I just controlled myself. I organized my behavior. I monitored it. I controlled it. I said, okay, ma'am, sorry, my mistake will not happen again. Simple as that. And then I just went back to give my paper. And honestly saying, it was a bit traumatic also, guys, because, you're about to write your paper and the morning itself, you haven't even started your paper and the teacher's slapping you. So that was very weird. But anyway, this is what self-regulation is, when you're able to monitor your behavior. Fine. So associated with self-regulation is something called self-control. Okay? What is self-control, guys? Self-control means learning to delay or defer the gratification of one's needs. Okay? So, what is this? So, self-control is what? When you learn to delay and defer the gratification of your needs. What is gratification? Gratification means immediate satisfaction. Fine. So, when you learn to delay, right, the gratification of that need, that okay, fine, I will not have it right now, I will maybe not watch TV right now, I will do it later, that is known as your self-control. Okay? Now, self-control plays a very important role in fulfilling your long-term goals, isn't it? Like, I'm sure you have your goal that you want to get into the best university possible, and hence you have started studying from now itself, isn't it? So you're controlling things. I'm sure a lot of you would have just attended school and you're now attending my class. Why? I'm sure you're tired. I'm sure you want to sleep. I'm sure you just want to watch TV. But aren't you controlling yourself? Why? Because you have a long-term goal in mind, isn't it? Now, there are a number of psychological techniques of self-control. Okay? We can just discuss that also. So, what is techniques of self-control? सबसे पहला जो टेक्निक है that is observation of your own behavior. ठीक है? So, ठीक है? Then we have what? Then we have self-instruction, fine, self-reinforcement. So, what do we have over here? So, we have so observation of one's behavior. What is this? See, guys, when we are engaging in some work, right, we are very well aware that, when we are procrastinating or when we are putting off this work to the last moment possible, or we know that we are not very well prepared for examinations, but we are still not focusing on studies and we're still watching TV, isn't it? So observing your own behavior is very important. You should know where you're making mistakes, right? Because only then will you be able to bring about a change, isn't it? सिर्फ तब आप चेंज ला सकते हैं, because only when you know where you're going wrong. And how will you know where you're going wrong? When you observe yourself. ठीक है?
अब एग्जाम की तैयारी को और बेहतर करने के लिए हमारे चैनल को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें।